Solve 10x cube minus 31x square plus 9 equal to 0. Here they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x. For that, here we have to change the x square term. What I mean is, see, 10x cube in place of minus 31x square. Now we should write minus 30x square minus 1x square plus 9 equal to 0. This is your step 1. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 10x square. So here you get x minus, from this 10x square out you get 3. In the same way, what can be taken out common from these two terms is minus 1. Here we get x square and here we get minus 9 equal to 0. Now this quadratic, I will simplify it here. That is x square minus 9. To simplify this, in place of 9, now we should write 3 square. Why did I change this to this form is, now to this we should apply the formula a square minus b square. That is a minus b times a plus b. So this will become x minus 3 times x plus 3. So in place of this quadratic, now we write this over here. So this equation becomes 10x square x minus 3 minus 1, in place of this one, x minus 3 x plus 3 equal to 0. Now from this entire equation, what can be taken out common is x minus 3. So x minus 3 outside. Over here we are left with 10x square. And over here we are left with these two. That is minus 1 times x plus 3 equal to 0. Now x minus 3, 10x square. Now you should open up the brackets. You get minus 1x minus 3 equal to 0. Here we have quadratic. I will factorize the quadratic here. That is 10x square minus 1x minus 3. To factorize this, we should split the middle term, minus 1x. In place of minus 1x, now we should write minus 6x plus 5x minus 3. Next, from these two terms, what can be taken out common is 2x. So here you get 5x minus, from this 2x out you get 3. Whatever you got here, here also you should get the same thing. From this 5x gone inside, so outside you get plus 1. Even if you multiply and check, still you get the same thing. Now take out 5x minus 3 common. So here you have 2x and here plus 1. Now in place of this quadratic, we should write this over here. So this equation becomes x minus 3, in place of this one, 5x minus 3, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. More, they told us to solve, which means we should get the values of x, and over here we got product of brackets equal to 0. So to get x values, we should equate each bracket to 0. That is x minus 3 equal to 0, 5x minus 3 equal to 0, 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now to get x value from here, we should remove minus 3, so add 3. We get x equal to 3. Now here, first we should remove minus 3, so add 3. We get 5x equal to 3. Now we should remove 5, so divide by 5. We get x equal to 3 by 5. Now here, first we should remove plus 1, so subtract 1. We get 2x equal to minus 1. Now we should remove 2, so divide by 2. We get x equal to minus 1 by 2. So the x values that we got are 3, 3 by 5, minus 1 by 2. This is our answer.